Now we are inside the Bhoganandi temple. You can see the weather, cloudy weather. This is the day, Ashada, last Monday. They start the parikrama of 5 hills from this temple. Bhoganandi temple is 1300 years old, and this Giri Pradakshina is done by Bhoganandi temple, and this is the 79th year of the parikrama. You can see the banner. Now they are starting the Giri Pradakshina. So now it is morning 6:30, and you can see the people crowd. We girls of Koramangala started our parikrama, and you can see the friends. Say hi! You can see the hill with the clouds. This Nandi parikrama started in the year 1938 by a group of 50 pilgrims from Dodbalapur. You can see the people walking. I think more than 20,000 people start walking. And on the way, all the people will give the snacks, biscuits, chocolates, and even the breakfast. We have reached the Angatta Nandi Cross. This parikrama covers 18 kilometers, starting from the Bhoganandi to Bhoganandi. This parikrama covers the 5 hills. That is Nandigiri, Dibbagiri, Brahmagiri, Channagiri and Skandagiri. As you can see, all age group of people walk for this Nandi parikrama. We have reached Karahalli Cross. It's almost we walked 1 hour from the temple. You can see they are distributing the breakfast. They are the trustees of the Bhoganandi temple. People walking with doing bhajans and all, and you can see the crowd also. Now we are reaching Kannave Basavanna Devasthana. It's on the way. From here I think hardly we have 4 kilometers to the main temple. We reached Kannave Basavanna Devasthana. Here also they are giving prasada for everyone, and you can see the crowd of the people. Now we reached Sultanpet. Now it's another 2 kilometers to the Bhoganandi temple. Walking parikrama Bhoganandi is 18 kilometers. All the friends enjoyed the nature. Hip hip hooray!